Okay, I'm done for the night. It's 6 o'clock. A little balmy. I'm hungry, thirsty. I got one area cleaned up around the curve. I didn't get all the way around the curve. There's still some rocks, but it's leveled out, mostly de-rocked, de-branched. But we're going to go on a tour because I'm going to go put the machine away in the tractor. And I spread 1 or 2 buckets of chips, and I just run out of energy. I'll be here for another day. So we're going to take a tour. It's going to be noisy. I'm going to start the machine up, so here we go. Okay, that's it. Where it goes on. Store that. Oh, I gotta lower the landscape brake. I have no electricity in the barn yet. There's my dual winch for the tower. So I got this battery operated LED light. 1 battery, the other one's in the other room, the other shed. But let's go in, go watch TV. Gotta drop this. Good for the hydraulics. I just kind of go down like this until this drops. I'm going to pull it back up so when I start it, next time it'll automatically come up. This is my ritual here. I close the door. Stop in and get that way. Like them, and you got to walk over here without tripping and breaking your neck. And as I put this down as a safety, in case someone tries to steal it, that'll be an interlock. They won't know about that. Seat stays up. Always have the seat up. Indoor, outdoor. Good to have to get in. So then open the door. Reach up, turn the light off. Turn that off. Here, close that. And this is what I do every day. I turn the propane off. I'll let that fire burn until the rain comes and puts it out, or the fire burns out, whichever comes first. Got the key in my hand. And let's see. Here. And then I usually come in here. I gotta come in here tonight and work on some more conduit. And it's a messy garage. I usually kick the shoes off here. Turn this light on. Set that there for now, and then I close the door. And before I go in the house, I usually just reward myself. I have, oh, look at this. Frozen Red Label. So I'll open that up and take a big old swig of that. Ah, boy. Yeah, that's just what the doctor ordered. Put that back in the freezer. And there you have it. See you later.